Hidden in the heart of Israel, Tel Nof Airbase stands as a fortress of cutting-edge military power. From stealth fighter operations to elite drone squadrons, this base is where Israel's aerial dominance begins. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets behind one of the world's most formidable air bases. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel today. We're diving deep into one of the most secretive and strategically critical military installations in the world, Israel's Tel Nof Airbase. Located in central Israel, Tel Nof isn't just an airfield, it's the epicenter of Israel's aerial dominance, housing advanced fighter squadrons, unmanned drones, and elite defense programs. Over the years, it has evolved into a symbol of technological innovation and tactical expertise, combining decades of military experience with cutting-edge equipment. From training elite pilots to testing next-generation aircraft, the base operates at the forefront of modern warfare. Every runway, hangar, and command center is meticulously designed for maximum operational efficiency. This is not just a military base, it's a living, breathing stronghold where intelligence, technology, and human skill converge. Whether you're a military enthusiast or just curious about global power structures, this exploration will reveal how Israel maintains its unmatched aerial capabilities. Today, we'll uncover the base's history, its advanced squadrons, drone operations, radar systems, and the strategic role it plays in Israel's national security, giving you a full picture of why Tel Nof is considered Israel's ultimate military stronghold. Tel Nof Airbase has a fascinating history that reflects the evolution of Israel's Air Force. Established in the 1940s, it was initially a modest airfield designed to support early Israeli aviation operations. Over time, it became a key strategic asset, hosting fighter wings, reconnaissance units, and specialized training programs. The base played a critical role during major conflicts, such as the Yom Kippur War, providing rapid deployment capabilities, air support, and crucial intelligence gathering. Its central location allows Israel to respond swiftly to regional threats, combining tactical depth with operational security. Throughout its history, Tel Nof has continuously modernized, adapting to new challenges and integrating advanced aircraft, radar systems, and drone technology. From propeller-driven planes to high-speed jet fighters, the base has always represented Israel's commitment to technological superiority. Beyond its military role, Tel Nof also became a training ground for elite pilots, mission planners, and engineers, ensuring that Israel maintains a skilled and ready air force. Its history is a story of adaptation, resilience, and constant innovation, shaping Tel Nof into the powerhouse it is today. One of the defining features of Tel Nof Airbase is its elite fighter squadrons, which are among the most advanced in the world. The base hosts aircraft such as the F-15 Eagle and F-16 Fighting Falcon, equipped with cutting-edge avionics, precision weapons, and stealth capabilities. Pilots undergo rigorous training to master complex aerial maneuvers, air-to-air combat, and precision strike missions. Ground crews, radar operators, and mission planners work in perfect coordination to ensure every sortie is executed flawlessly. The base also tests new technologies and upgrades existing fighter jets with the latest defense systems, maintaining operational superiority. Tel Nof squadrons aren't just about firepower, they're about precision, coordination, and readiness. Regular exercises simulate real combat scenarios, including joint operations with drones and intelligence units. These training programs prepare pilots for high-stakes situations, from rapid interception of enemy aircraft to complex strike missions. The integration of human skill, tactical planning, and technological innovation makes Tel Nof's fighter squadrons a critical component of Israel's aerial dominance, capable of projecting power and defending national airspace against any threat. Tel Nof Airbase is a central hub for Israel's cutting-edge drone operations, which have revolutionized modern warfare. The base hosts multiple UAV squadrons capable of reconnaissance, surveillance, and precision strike missions. These drones provide real-time intelligence and situational awareness without risking human lives. Their long endurance and stealth designs allow them to operate deep in contested airspace, gathering critical data for decision makers. Telnof integrates these unmanned systems with manned fighter jets, creating multi-layered operational strategies that enhance combat effectiveness. Ground crews monitor drones with advanced control stations, while engineers constantly test upgrades to improve flight range, sensor capabilities, and payload precision. Drones from Telnof also support special operations, electronic warfare, and early warning missions. This combination of autonomous systems and human coordination ensures Israel maintains a technological edge in aerial operations. The integration of drone intelligence with radar and fighter jets allows for rapid threat assessment and precise strikes, making Telnof a center of modern air warfare innovation. In short, the drone operations here are a game changer, amplifying Israel's power projection and defense capabilities. Tel Nof Airbase is heavily fortified with some of the world's most advanced radar and missile defense systems. These radars monitor airspace hundreds of miles away, detecting incoming aircraft, missiles, and unmanned systems. All detection feeds into high-tech command centers, allowing rapid decision-making and coordinated defense responses. In addition to radar, Telnof employs layered missile defense technology capable of intercepting threats at multiple altitudes and ranges. This includes anti-aircraft systems designed to neutralize missiles, drones, and enemy aircraft in real time. The base also integrates electronic warfare capabilities to disrupt hostile systems, maintaining air superiority and operational security. Every defense layer is interconnected, ensuring that Telnof remains nearly impervious to attacks. This combination of radar interception and electronic countermeasures provides Israel with unmatched situational awareness and control over its airspace. Telnof's defensive network is not only a deterrent, but also a critical tool for projecting power and ensuring the safety of both military assets and civilian populations. Tel Nof Airbase is one of Israel's most strategically significant military assets. Its central location allows rapid deployment of aircraft across the country and into neighboring regions if necessary. The base serves multiple strategic functions, from intercepting potential threats to launching precision strikes on distant targets. Telnof also functions as an intelligence hub, integrating data from drones, satellites, and radar systems to provide real-time battlefield awareness. Its advanced command structure enables rapid response to emerging threats, making it both a defensive shield and an offensive tool. The base's capabilities act as a deterrent to potential adversaries, signaling Israel's readiness to defend its skies with overwhelming force. In addition, Telnof supports broader military operations by coordinating with other air bases, ground forces, and naval units, creating a networked approach to national security. Its strategic importance extends beyond national borders, influencing regional power dynamics and maintaining Israel's air superiority. Training at Telnof is designed to create elite pilots, crews, and support teams capable of executing high-stakes missions flawlessly. The base uses advanced simulators to recreate combat scenarios, enabling personnel to practice air-to-air combat, precision strikes, and emergency response in a controlled environment. These simulations mimic real-world conditions, including hostile environments, electronic warfare, and complex mission coordination. Pilots are trained not only to fly, but to make split-second tactical decisions, integrating intelligence and operational data in real time. Ground crews and command teams also undergo rigorous exercises to ensure perfect coordination during actual operations. Training programs include integration with drones, radar systems, and special units, creating a comprehensive approach to modern warfare. By combining hands-on flight experience with virtual scenarios, Telnof ensures every operator is fully prepared for any threat. This emphasis on realism, precision, and continuous improvement makes Tel Nof a world-class training facility and a cornerstone of Israel's military effectiveness. Tel Nof is home to several elite units specializing in reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and top secret operational programs. These units handle sensitive missions that require advanced training, stealth operations, and cutting-edge technology. They often work behind enemy lines or in highly contested zones, gathering intelligence and supporting strategic operations. The base also tests new aircraft, weapon systems, and tactical innovations before deployment. Coordination between these specialized units and conventional squadrons ensures operational flexibility and adaptability. These programs often involve AI-assisted drones, experimental stealth aircraft, and advanced communication systems, giving Israel a technological edge over potential adversaries. By integrating elite forces, experimental tech, and traditional air operations, Telnof maintains its position as a highly capable, multi-dimensional military stronghold. This combination of elite personnel and advanced technology enhances Israel's ability to respond to evolving threats and maintain air superiority. While primarily a national facility, Telnof occasionally hosts joint exercises with allied nations. These operations allow Israel to demonstrate capabilities, improve interoperability, and simulate large-scale combat scenarios with international forces. Joint drills help refine tactics, test communication protocols, and integrate advanced technologies in real-world exercises. Participation also strengthens diplomatic and military ties, showing the strategic value of Israel's air power on a global stage. International exercises often involve fighter jets, drones, radar systems, and command coordination, highlighting Telnof's advanced infrastructure. The base's ability to maintain security while cooperating internationally underscores its operational sophistication. These exercises prepare both Israel and its allies for potential joint missions or regional contingencies, reinforcing strategic partnerships and showcasing Telnof's versatility and global importance. Tel Nof Airbase is constantly evolving to maintain Israel's aerial advantage. Plans for the future include integrating next-generation stealth fighters, enhanced drone fleets, AI-driven command systems, and upgraded radar and missile defenses. The base will continue to serve as a testing ground for experimental technology and advanced operational tactics. These developments ensure that Israel stays ahead of emerging threats and retains strategic dominance in the region. Beyond hardware, the base emphasizes training, intelligence, and innovation, combining human expertise with technological superiority. Telnof is not just a military asset, it symbolizes Israel's commitment to defense, innovation, and regional stability. As the base evolves, it will remain central to Israel's ability to protect its skies, deter adversaries, and project power wherever necessary, solidifying its status as the ultimate military stronghold. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Tel Nof Airbase and want to uncover more of the world's secretive military strongholds, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Comment below which aspect of Israel's air power surprised you the most.